Is the growth of your SMMA feeling like this?
Hello, darkness.
Or this?
Or this? I can't stop!
Let's get you out of that rut. Hey, Derek to Mike here with Two Guys Build a Biz, and you are in the right place because water in a mason jar is the only way to go. This channel is all about enabling aspiring entrepreneurs to live out their lives the way they intended it. So if that resonates with you at all, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell notification so you're notified every single time we post a new video like this. So if you're in a rut, by the end of this video, you'll have the steps that I use personally to get myself out and start crushing it. Before I outline the steps I use, there's an important concept to understand, and that's homeostasis. I'm not gonna give you the perfect scientific take on this, but here's the definition. In simple terms, take the human body for instance. When you're cold, your body temperature drops. Naturally, you start to shiver to warm yourself up to reach that equilibrium state. Your body wants to keep you the same. Change is bad. But as an entrepreneur, you're in a perpetual state of change and growth if you're growing your business, growing yourself personally, which all of that's good. That's what keeps us going. But sometimes during major life changes like this, homeostasis is trying to bring you back down to your equilibrium state, aka the situation you were in before, even if that situation isn't ideal. It's the same factor that drives Lotto winners who win millions of dollars. They're set for life to just blow it all and go right back to the situation they were in. Because if you're stretching, growing, building a business as an entrepreneur, this force will try to pull you back by revving up old destructive habits and tendencies. It's incredibly deceptive and subtle. It's not going to be as obvious as the physical examples that I gave. So how do you prevent this deceptive force, get yourself out of a rut, or prevent yourself from getting there entirely? You need to understand how dopamine works and how to control it. Stay with me here because this may be the most important video that you've ever watched. But in simple terms, dopamine is a reward system in your brain and it fires anytime it's anticipating a reward from a specific action. For example, when you're checking notifications on your phone and you get a ding, that's a dopamine hit. These apps are designed to trigger that system in your brain. Drinking, smoking, watching TV, Netflix, these are all dopamine triggers. And most of society just strolls along, doesn't think about this at all, and doesn't try to combat this. But you're different. I know this because you follow this channel. So let's combat this. Let's put together a plan and get out of that rut. Number one, make a simple T-chart on a piece of paper, a note app on your iPad or your iPhone, Post-it, whatever, just a simple T. On one side, you've got your productive tasks. These are things that are gonna grow your business, get you closer to your goals, build relationships, grow your vitality and your physical health. And on the other side, you've got the destructive habits, Netflix, scrolling through social media, alcohol, junk food, video games. If you take an honest audit of yourself, you should be doing 80% activities on the left side and 20% or less on the right side. If those numbers are going the other way, you're in trouble, but don't worry, this is reversible. Step number two, we're gonna kill the notifications. These notifications do nothing but pull you out of a flow state and keep you from doing these left side activities and pull you into the right side. I'm talking about your computer, phone, iPad. Only the left side activities should be able to ping you. So simply open up your device, jump into settings, notifications, and audit every single app that's either generating a right side activity or a left side activity and cut those apps off. Just flip off the switch and you don't have to worry about it anymore. None of that is gonna get you towards your goals, and this might seem small, but all these little hits, they add up, take up brain space, and keep you from doing the activities that are gonna get you to your goals and get you out of this rut. Which takes me to number three. Anytime I've been in a rapid growth stage in my business, personally, professionally, relationships, physically, it's always been when I'm creating a journal that's enabling me to do that. This is very simple planning. Let me show you how I do it. I use my iPad to sketch this out. I write down number one, what I'm grateful for, what my goals are for the day, and the 3 targets that I need to hit that if everything fails, if I get distracted, pull into meetings, at the end of the day, these 3 things are gonna get me one step closer to that goal. If I hit those 3 things, I'm good. Below that is just a simple calendar, blocks of time when I'm in meetings, when I have to chat with team members, when I have work time. All of it is just simple half-hour to 45-minute blocks. If you don't have a calendar that outlines every aspect of your day from Monday through Friday, you're not running a business, you're not in control, you're just completely reactive. And you might have some false sense of freedom because you're just flying by the seat of your pants during the week. But if you don't write your schedule, someone will write it for you, meaning you'll be working for someone else to make their dreams come true. Number 4, your end of day assessment. Now this is the most crucial step of the whole thing. Simply reflect on your day. This can be extremely difficult to do, trust me. It's tough for me. Your brain will give you every excuse not to do this because looking yourself in the mirror, actually admitting to yourself that you let yourself down, is one of the most painful things you can do. But you don't have to kill it day one here. Be kind to yourself. You can say, all right, I really messed up and I did 5 things on this list that I'm not proud of, but you know what? Tomorrow's a new day and I've learned from this experience and I'll do better tomorrow. Just the fact that you're conscious of this stuff and you're willing to take an honest audit of how you spend your day, this is setting you ahead of the pack right there. Most people don't take the time to work on themselves like this, and quite frankly, it's because they don't have some goal that's forcing them to stretch in order to achieve it. But you do, and that's why you're still watching this right now. You have goals, you are stretching, you are growing, and use these techniques to help you manifest those goals. So to recap, audit your dopamine hits throughout the day and audit what activities you're rewarding yourself for, consciously or subconsciously. Audit what you're doing to make your dreams become a reality and stack the chips in that left column. Kill the unnecessary notifications or flow state killers and structure your daily plan like we went over. Gratitude, goals, targets, the hour by hour plan. Finally, reflect on your day so you can actually grow. And this isn't just the time to beat yourself up. This is also the brag zone. This is where you want to talk about the wins and equally share the things that went well as the things that you can improve upon. So it's not just negative, you also want to build yourself up here. You combine these 4 simple steps and you'll be shocked at what you can accomplish. So go test yourself. See what your limits actually are. It's an incredible place to be. And if you made it this far, comment down below. Let me know what resonated with you and what you're taking away from this. And big things are happening. Shout out to Jacob. Big day for him, one of our SMMA Blueprint members. He actually put in his notice and quit his job today. On top of it, he actually closed a deal for $1.5K with a growth stretch plan to hit 2.5, a respectable number for sure. These are the actions that we love to see, people getting into the program, taking action, and changing the trajectory of their lives. And again, if you found value in this, quick comment down below, let me know what you resonated with or what you're taking away from this video. And besides that, if you have specific questions, please ask them down below. I'll definitely address them right in the comments or make a specific video for you so we can get you through that hurdle and get you to growing your business, get you out of that rut, whatever that looks like. Comment down below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell notification so you're notified every time we post a new video like this. Until next time, we'll see you in the next one.
Still waiting for the sun.